Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Irwin tap adapter socket set and comparing it to the Matco tools tap adapter set. And we're going to be going over the similarities, differences, and the price range, and possibly ways you could save money if you're looking at either one of these. If you haven't used them, I'll go over what they're used for. And if you bought a tap and die set, you might get something similar to this, but not of the same quality, maybe not quite as useful. Or if you got a higher end tap and die set, it might have came with these. So if you have these, you guys already know how handy these are. So stay tuned, and I really hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you guys so much, and let's get into this. Like I was saying, these are tap adapters, and if you buy a tap and die set, so if you've already purchased one or you're thinking about purchasing one, when you get it, it may include a tap adapter like this, which is a T-handle type, and you can adjust it to your tap sizes. So we got the smaller one there and a larger one here, or it may not come with them. It may come with a different style, who knows. You can also get tap socket sets, which include a wide variety of tap sockets which fit specific taps. So that is one way you could do it. Or these, which work for many different taps. So this is going to be for a wide variety of your smaller taps, and then you're going to have a larger one for some of your larger taps. So I just want to quickly show you the style that comes with this Matco set, and I'll be doing a review on this, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned for that video. But you get this T-handle style, which still works decently. It's just the basic design and still works fine, but in tight spaces this T-handle can get pretty annoying. You might not be able to get a full rotation on it, or you'll have to keep switching, get a quarter turn, keep doing that in order to get your full rotation with your tap, and it wouldn't be the smoothest tap, and trying to hold it straight and do that at the same time can be kind of a pain. The larger one in this set is actually pretty nice because it includes the T-handle adapter, which you can slide through here and do the same thing as the small one, or you can use it with a 3/8 drive ratchet, which is pretty nice. So you can use it with the T-handle or a ratchet, so it's pretty nice, but it's still that basic design. You do have some good length here, but it is still just not the smoothest operating, and it's just a round clamp here that clamps onto your taps, whereas these are designed to grab the corners. They kind of have a square opening. You can see those half triangles there. You get a diamond shape that really holds the tap really nicely. So this one's designed for your smaller taps, so I'll go ahead and grab a smaller tap. You can feed it in here, and it centers it and keeps it nice and straight, and then you can adapt it to any 3/8 drive ratchet, and you get a lot of rotation with it, and it's very easy to use. So these things are very, very handy, especially this design. So instead of buying multiple sockets, you could use one or two of these depending on your tap and die set size. And then for your larger taps, like I was stating, you have this other one, which obviously this is not going to fit in here. So that is why these sets come with a larger one as well. It's still 3/8 drive on the backhand side, but you drop it in there, and this is what you can use for your larger taps, and it works very nicely. And with that design, it holds the taps very nicely. So that's the pros to these over using something like this. Now obviously if you don't want to spend the extra money, these do work, but from Matco, this set right here is going to be pretty spendy for just the two-piece set. This is Irwin right here. So number 6 through 1/4 inch taps, 3/8 drive, nice chrome, a little knurled adjuster here, and it's very smooth. The set of two, these two exact same things, it's going to run anywhere from $22 to $40, so priced pretty decently. Now this is going to be $72, and let me show you the differences here. So if you look really closely, the huge difference here is this one says Irwin and this one says Matco tools. That is going to be the difference on these tap adapter sets. So it's as simple as that. It's literally the same thing, made the exact same. It's the same thing, just a different name put on it. Same design right there. Everything's the exact same. Actually, the Irwin one's got a little bit better chrome here at the bottom if you look a little carefully. This one's almost like a polish finish. No, but for real guys, it's the exact same thing. So if you get the 2-piece set of this, around $22 to $42 depending on who you purchase it from, and this one being $72. And the other difference besides the name being on it, you're going to get this nice little cloth semi-rigid case with a zipper, whereas as far as I know, this one just comes with the 2 basic sockets. So if you're willing to pay the, roughly $50 more, you can get this nice little semi-rigid case with it. So if you're looking at saving some money on a tool that can be very handy, whether your tap and die set doesn't come with the adjustable tap adapters, or if you don't care too much for this design or it's not working well for you, go ahead, save yourself some money. Look at the Irwin ones. They work perfectly and they're a huge time saver, especially you're already spending a good amount of money on a good tap and die set, and if you ever have to use it, you're already not in the best mood. So it's best to just save yourself a little bit of money overpaying for the Matco adapter set and just go with the Irwin. So if you guys have any questions on these adapters, please let me know. I'll show you guys this in use next time I run into a bad situation, but stay tuned for the video where I will be reviewing this tap and die set, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please make sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you've purchased either one of these sets. And other than that, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.